Guys, just a piece of advice. So one of my secrets, something that I'm doing on a regular basis pretty much, that helps me a lot, especially this kind of spring times after like a heavy winter when your body is tired and you want to get this boost of energy. Personally, it helps me. I know that out there's so many recipes of healthy food and healthy drinks. I'll just tell you what works for me. Okay, so it is pretty simple, quite strong. You need ginger, fresh ginger. You can buy it pretty much from anywhere. You get some ginger. You need a juicer. So basically, you're gonna blend this ginger and you make it a juice. Okay, no, probably around 50 ml per shot. And some people they have it as it is, just one shot of ginger straight away. Now, personally, I find it very strong, quite unpleasant to my palate. So what I'm doing basically, which makes it even better, I put 1 spoon of honey inside. Now this is a really beautiful natural organic honey. I guess you can get it somewhere locally. So one spoon of honey, half lemon or lime. Okay, you squeeze it inside, a bit of a dry turmeric. So this is ground turmeric. Now, if you can find fresh turmeric in your local store, this will be even better. And you can basically juice it with a ginger. If not, 1/2 teaspoon of dry turmeric works really well. So in a glass, you put 50 to 75 ml of freshly squeezed ginger, 1/2 tablespoon of ground turmeric, 1 spoon of really nice natural organic honey, and 1/2 lemon or lime juice. You basically mix it. And now, if you haven't tried this before, it's a bit of a shock to your palate. So just, I would say, close your eyes and just take it in one shot. Okay. The first time when I had it, my eyes got almost crying. It was, and my ears they start singing. But actually helps so much. I do this pretty much every day, 1 shot. My wife makes it. It is really nice. First I was quite skeptical. I didn't want to try it, but once I tried, basically I fell in love with it. Makes me feel really good. It's a really good way to start your day. To have this on a daily basis. As I said, I personally recommend it. I know that there's so many recipes out there with doing that with fancy cocktails. I haven't tried it. I'm a very simple man. This is something very simple. Literally takes 3 minutes to get it done. Works really well. Now, what is happening with the juicer? Basically, when you squeeze the ginger, basically inside, you have some trimmings left, right? And this is something that you can still use it instead of throwing away. So everything that is left over from the ginger, after you basically take it out from the juicer, you take a pan, you put it inside a pan. Okay, you take 1 lemon or lime, you slice it into wedges, you put it inside as well, and you put, let's say, 2 liters of water inside. You bring it to the boil, let it boil for about, I don't know, 10-15 minutes. Like, you know, when you pick up one of the lemon wedges, when they're soft, it means that everything been cooked. Then take it, let it cool down first, and then sieve it. Okay, so you only want the juice, what is left over in the bin. Now this juice, you can put it in a bottle. Okay, then put it in the fridge, let it cool down, and then in the morning when you wake up, before you have your breakfast, before you do anything, 1 small glass of the liquid, just have it. If you find it too strong, maybe you can put some water inside, let's say 50-50 of this liquid juice and 50% water. Drink it. It makes you feel really good. Some people say that it helps to reduce the fat around your waist. I'm not sure about this, but as I said, it works really well. Especially, you know, it's also these days, if you feel like you are getting a cold or a flu, it helps a lot. So this is one of my little secrets I wanted to share with you. I do this quite often. Personally, it helps a lot. It works really well with me. Make sure before you try this, make sure that you don't have any allergies to ginger, to turmeric, to lemon, honey, or something else. Or make sure that if you're on some kind of medications or you're taking something else and you're not basically allowed to take any of these products, then don't take it. If this is just my personal advice, okay? Try it. It works really well, and I hope this will work really well for you too. This is for now. Hello guys, so yes, back to my point with the ginger shot. I had to shower and change because I was all wet from the training session. So long story short, this is the lemon juice. Okay, this is probably around 7 to 8 lemon juice or lime juices. I have this little jar here. I put it all inside. Okay, so this is the lemon juice. 7, 8 lemon juices. Now this is the big deal. This is the ginger. By the way, I've heard that COVID-19 hates ginger. Okay, I'm not sure if this is scientifically proven, but everyone says it. Okay, so this is the ginger. Good. Now, this is the dry turmeric. Okay, we're gonna put it inside. Good. Now, oh no, this is the honey. Okay, so first let me squeeze the honey in as well. So this is the honey. This is really nice, natural, organic mountain honey. Okay, we get a honey as well. Good. We chuck it inside. Now I'm gonna get some help with the yellow spoon. Okay, yummy, yummy, in my tummy. Good, I'm gonna just squeeze, get all the honey. Okay. Perfect, fantastico. Now, this is the honey. What you're gonna do now here. So this is ginger, this is lemon or lime juice, dry turmeric, and this is honey. Okay. Now, I'm gonna mix it nice and gently. Left, right, left, right. Gentle moves from your wrist. Okay. Left and then right. Good. What you can do now, I'm gonna close the jar. I'll make sure the jar is closed, and I'll just go like this, just to melt the honey inside. Okay, just to melt the honey, like this, and this is ready. So now, this is not one ginger shot, okay? I was telling you before, one ginger shot is probably that much. But because I hate washing stuff all the time, making just one ginger shot, I've just made this is probably around 15 ginger shots, okay? So what I'm doing, I open this, I put like about 50 ml in a shot glass, and I take it and I keep this in the fridge. So this is enough ginger shots for about 5 days, okay? Amazing thing, really good, try it out. I'll see you guys next time.